process of manufacturing PET cans starts with PET resin being loaded into the hopper of the injection molding machine. The material is heated, melted, and precisely injected into a 32-cavity mold to produce PET preforms with a 56.5mm neck finish. Each preform weighs 20 grams with a cycle time of only 18 to 20 seconds, delivering an impressive production capacity of up to 6,400 preforms per hour. Once the preforms are ready, the mold opens, and a robotic arm automatically removes them with speed and precision. The preforms are then transferred onto a conveyor system and transported to the next stage of production. Next, the preforms are fed into the PET blow molding machine. Using advanced stretch blow molding technology, the heated preforms are transformed into strong, lightweight, and crystal clear PET cans. This 6-cavity blowing system is designed for 330 milliliter PET cans and achieves a production output of up to 5,000 cans per hour. The finished PET cans are collected and prepared for downstream filling and packaging operations.